If you're looking for a luxury all-inclusive suite with VIP perks, swim-up access, and premium amenities, this is a room you need to see. But is StarClass really worth the upgrade? In this video, I'll take you inside the Planet Hollywood Cancun StarClass Junior Suite swim-up and break down everything you need to know before booking. StarClass Junior Suite Swim Out. As you enter the room, you can see the bathroom here, and there is a fully closing pocket door. There is one sink in this bathroom to the left. You can see it's a little bit on the smaller side, but it does have a nice lighted mirror. There is a small toilet closet here with a pocket door, which I love to have that fully enclosed. You have some extra shelving and storage here. And then the secondary sink right here with another lighted mirror and more storage underneath and all of your amenities there. And then just next to that sink is the shower. The shower does have a nice glass door with a towel rod to hang your towels. As you open the door, you will see there is a rain shower head plus a handheld option, and they do include shower amenities, and the bench is an excellent touch. Coming out into the room, you can see the closet to the right. Next to that is the mini bar, another closet, and then this happens to be a king bedroom. All of the junior suites at Planet Hollywood Cancun will either have one king or two queen beds. They all will have a sofa bed. They all will be 581 square foot, and really the only change is going to be your view, whether it is a garden view, an ocean view, or a swim out, and of course your general location. Here is the inside of one of the closets. With two of them, there is plenty of storage space, and you can see robes, slippers, an umbrella, a steamer. Here is the inside of the minibar. You can see you will be fully stocked with water, coffee, and tea, and a coffee maker. Here's the inside of the mini fridge. This is a StarClass suite, so you will not receive these snacks in a regular junior suite. As we make our way out to the patio, this is, of course, a ground floor swim up. This room happens to have a very large lawn section. You have your own dedicated padded loungers, and then, of course, just past the loungers is your swim up pool. And the swim up pool even includes in-water loungers. It doesn't get much better than that. And this is just a view of what these swim up pools look like from outside of the building. Let's talk about what a StarClass upgrade gets you at Planet Hollywood Cancun. If you upgrade to a StarClass room, you will receive preferred room location, a private pool for StarClass guests, nightly turn-down service, preferred bar labels and in-room snacks, preferential reservations in the a la carte restaurants. You'll have an exclusive beach area with a dedicated bar and waiter service. You'll have a distinctive wrist bracelet, personalized check-in and check-out, early check-in and late check-out, subject to availability. You'll have access to the StarClass bar and grill, which will give you a premium drink menu, daily continental breakfast service, evening hors d'oeuvres, and afternoon snacks, including desserts. Additionally, in your room, you will have upgraded robes and slippers. You'll have preferential pricing on spa treatments, a selection of in-suite liquors, an upgraded minibar that's restocked daily, an upgraded room service menu, and a pillow menu. In addition, you will have a personal agent, also known as a butler, and your personal agent can handle all arrangements and reservations. They can pack and unpack your luggage. You'll receive aromatherapy in your suite. They can help you with general hotel information and assistance. They will iron at least one set of clothing, polish and clean your shoes. They will deliver ice. They will prepare your jacuzzi in an upgraded room category. They will escort you to the restaurant. And they will help you with organizing any special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, etc., and they will pick up your laundry. If this room looks like your kind of vacation, make sure you check out my Planet Hollywood tour and review when that video is available, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert travel tips and resort tours. See you in the next video.